Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, give us a like. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of the specific Jeep or anything else we have in our lot, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SherryChrysler.com. Today we're showing you a brand new arrival, 2020 Jeep Rubicon, 4-door, unlimited, with a bunch of bells and whistles on it, guys. This is a stingray in color. Awesome color when it comes to the Jeep Wrangler with a bunch of options. First thing we're going to notice on the front of this vehicle, it has the upgraded lighting system, which is all your LED lighting on this particular Jeep. Fog lights in the front bumper. Really nice aggressive rim. That is a factory rim from Jeep. Has a Falcon tire on it. That's a really good combo. 17-inch rim to be exact. Painted flares here on the side to match the color of the vehicle. 3-piece factory painted hardtop on this particular Jeep. This vehicle does have a factory backup camera that's built into into your spare tire on the back, located right there. This vehicle does come equipped with a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty. It has extended coverage on the powertrain on this particular vehicle, and Jeep has done an amazing job over the years on getting that fuel economy up. With this being a 4-wheel drive, 4-door Jeep Wrangler, you're still going to get in the mid-20s when it comes to fuel economy on the highway on this particular vehicle. That is awesome when coming from a Jeep Wrangler. Power side mirrors, power locks, automatic overhead lighting. As I said, that's LED lighting. Upgraded Jeep floor mats throughout the floor. Leather seating throughout with the Rubicon logo in the front 2 seats. With this being a 3-piece hardtop, like I did mention, this is section 1 above the driver's seat. Section 2 is above the passenger seat. And then section 3 is going to be your whole rear. Section 1 and section 2, which are going to be your front 2 sections, they can be taken out by simply unclipping a couple clips. They pop out, they weigh about 15 to 20 pounds a piece, and there's a nice storage case in the back of the vehicle, which I'll show you when we get back there, that you can store them in. This vehicle does come equipped with hands-free capability. You can simply program your phone directly into this vehicle, simply hit the green phone button, carry on the conversation directly through your speaker system. All your controls to operate your instrument cluster are located right here. It's going to show you everything from your miles per hour to how fast, or to your trip, all the operation, the function of the vehicle while it's running, all your engine temp, your coolant temps, bunch of stuff that's built into there while you're driving down the road. Cruise control is located here on the right, and all your radio functions are located on the back of the steering wheel here. Very nice, large, upgraded touchscreen radio, AM, FM, Sirius XM radio with a free subscription when purchasing this vehicle brand new. Dual climate controls, auto features. You can also set them on different temperatures on the zones if you'd like, which makes it really nice. Bunch of apps that are built into this particular vehicle while driving down the road. Factory navigation on this particular vehicle, which is another really nice feature. You also have a second option when it comes to your climate control, located right here. So not only can you operate it from the radio, you can also operate it right here in the center of the piece. Radio controls are located on the outside too here. Power windows, 12-volt DC plug. All your media plugs are also located up front. Automatic transmission, automatic push button start by simply pushing the button here. You can start the vehicle while you're in your house. A really nice leather wrapped center console here with plenty of storage, actually 2 storage compartments, one up top and one down low. Leather seating in the rear just like the front. The upgraded floor mats are also in the rear, and you also do have an AC plug in the back, USB plug, and also your power windows. That carrying case I was talking about for the front 2 pieces of the hardtop is located right here, and it does lay flat back here in the back, so when you do have them out, you can lay them in the back here, and if you need to put them back in quickly, you can definitely do so because you'll have them in your Jeep. Upgraded sound system with the Alpine subwoofer here in the rear. Guys, this vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, Stingray Rubicon 4-door, painted hardtop, 3-piece hardtop, large touchscreen radio, and much more. LED lighting, and the list goes on and on. If you guys want to see more pictures of this specific Jeep or anything else we have on our lot, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Also, if you're on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and like always, for the guaranteed best price on any new or pre-owned Jeep Wrangler or anything else in stock, please visit Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram.